Meet the Fitbit Charge 6, your all-in-one fitness companion with advanced health tracking and smart features. Built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, and sleep insights keep you on top of your goals every day. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker, additional large band, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. First, turn on your Fitbit and wait for the setup notification to appear on your phone. Tap the setup button to download the Fitbit app from the Play Store or install it manually if needed, then sign in or create your account using Google or email. Accept the required terms, fill in your basic details, and enable permissions like location and notifications when prompted. Once the app detects your device, enter the pairing code shown on your Fitbit, tap Pair and Connect, and complete the on-screen setup steps to finish connecting your device. How to charge. To charge your Fitbit Charge 6, start by using the charging cable that comes inside the box. Since it doesn't include a power adapter, plug the USB Type-A end into any compatible charger or USB power source, then connect it to a wall outlet. Next, align the charging pins on the cable with the metal contacts on the back of your Fitbit. Once placed correctly, the magnetic connection will snap into place automatically and charging will begin instantly, showing the battery level on the screen.
Smart features?
Built-in GPS tracks your pace, distance, and workout routes without needing your phone nearby. It provides accurate outdoor activity data for running, walking, hiking, and cycling sessions. 24/7 heart rate monitoring continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts. It helps monitor calorie burn, exercise intensity, resting heart rate, and overall fitness performance. Advanced sleep tracking monitors light, deep, and REM sleep stages throughout the night. It provides a daily sleep score to help you understand and improve your sleep quality and recovery. The stress and EDA sensor measures your body's electrodermal activity to detect how your stress levels change throughout the day. It helps you understand your stress patterns and offers guided breathing exercises to help you relax and recover. Google Smart Integration brings helpful Google tools directly to your wrist for everyday convenience and control. It includes Google Maps for navigation, Google Wallet for contactless payments, and YouTube Music controls for easy media access during workouts.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker. See you at the next one.